NVIDIA is approaching double top.
Thank you. Good call out on that.
Is that considered a quick retest?
Which one?
NVIDIA on the double top.
Not yet. So it's trying the double top now, but what we want to see is, hold on, there's the move. It's on the double top technically right now. This is the double top, okay? So we are here. This is the double top. So remember, I talked about this. I trained on this last week. This is either going to pull back to form the handle, okay? Or we're going to get a pop up, come back to retest, and then just crank to the moon. Those are your two choices right here. Because either way, even if it consolidates for a while, it's either going to give us the handle or it's going to drive through, come back for a retest, and then we're going to see what it really wants to do, right?
Got it. Thank you.
Calls on support and puts on what?
Resistance.
That's right. Here's where NVIDIA is going to break through. Now we'll see if it'll retest. So this has broke through a double top. Watch for this to pull back. If it just runs here, obviously you can go long. Otherwise, right here, this is all still double top territory. All of this is still double top. You guys hear the sound of my voice? Right here, this is the retest on NVIDIA. Somebody asked me the retest. This was their test. This is a double top. Bye-bye, right? Cup. Handle. Didn't I say it's my favorite trade? Call.
Look, I never noticed how many of those happen until I started doing those shorts.
Oh, it's always, right? Because we're all
like,
looking
wow,
for
there's
it.
a lot.
Yeah, it's constant. It's more often than not.
Boom, there's my short. Ah, thank you.
Hey, coach, on that NVIDIA trade, how on that cup handle, how far is it going to pull back, do you think? I mean, what's the estimate on that?
Well, here's we're gonna see if it respects this 21 coming up now. If it can't respect the area it's literally at right here, you're coming all the way to VWAP. See it?
Yep, I see it.
So this has to bounce here or bye-bye. Now, if I was scalping this, right? If I'm scalping this, I'm going long right here. And then my stop is right here. See it? Because this had a double top, pullback, handle, should come up for a retest.
Hey, Coach, if we're dealing with a double bottom, will the same occur, but only in an inverse fashion?
Correct, but I'd have to look at how it got there. And I can tell you guys right now, if this is our double top, I'm buying my double top before it got there, which means I went red right here, and then my payday was right there because we go in early. You got to get it early before a knife drops, right? We want to get in there early. So you should have all been red on the initial set of the trade. This right here was the risk from here to here. This was the reward. This is a risk to reward setup. Everybody see it? Double top, risk to reward setup.